Hello. The mountain, the forest, and animal. Animal. Animals.
The lone deer looks like the perfect meal.
Animal. The forest. Seaside.
If these two wolves play
Animals.
right, she won't have a chance.
Wild animals.
But they're upwind, and the doe has an acute sense of smell. She spots them at the last moment and makes a break for it. The wolves may have been unsuccessful this time, but another will come around soon enough.
Wild animals. The fish. The fishes.
A shoal of sterlets, most of which live only 1 year,
The fishes.
nibbling at the algae on the bottom of the lake. Their presence is crucial
Fish,
in
fish,
maintaining
fish.
the water's purity.
The fishes.
This strange-looking little creature is a dragonfly larva. These aquatic dragonflies, also called nymphs, spend 95% of their lives in the water. They are also excellent hunters and have voracious appetites, eating twice their own weight when food is abundant. This nymph is no exception. Assuming a hunter's posture, it patiently waits as its prey approaches.
Fishes.
Distracted by the
fish.
irresistible algae, the sterlets are unaware of any danger. Little does the nymph know, it too is being hunted.
See you. Bye. So long.